Deciding what to wear to work on a Thursday morning shouldn't be too big of a deal. Well, at least that's what I tell myself while scrambling for a top that isn't the same as last week's. And is that red one rumpled? Yeah, that's a no. Wait, how have 10 minutes passed already? Getting fatigued by multiple decisions in a day is truly exhausting. And to be honest, it's one of the reasons why this video almost wasn't made. I had a long day and indeed week at work, and trying to write this video, it was 11 p.m. on a Friday night for something that was supposed to go out on Saturday morning, and I hadn't even decided what the topic would be, which is a key step, as you can imagine. So I defaulted to my plan B for my creative work. Write about whatever you're going through. Enter decision fatigue stage right. So, what is decision fatigue? Well, it's simply the state of poor decision making due to multiple decisions that needed to be made over an extended period of time. And although not outrightly obvious, we actually make a lot of decisions during the day. An estimate of 35,000 has even been suggested, although I'm not really sure how they counted it. Anyway, as you can imagine, this leads to mental exhaustion and making lower quality decisions or just avoiding making any altogether. And this phenomenon affects even the smartest of people. And while it's not responsible for every single bad decision made, it definitely can account for a few of them. How does this happen? As mentioned in the former video on how humans actually reason, which I will link here or below, the frontal cortex is the seat of judgment and hence rational thinking and decision making. But in psychology, there's the concept of the strength model of self-control, which suggests that our human capacity to fully control our behaviors is limited. It's almost the same way our physical bodies get exhausted, so can our minds. It's almost like exhausting our internal resources. But because this concept is relatively new to us, a lot of research hasn't really been done. You see, I wear only gray or blue suits. I'm trying to pare down decisions. I don't want to make decisions about what I'm eating or wearing because I have too many other decisions to make. Now that's one person I never thought I'd be quoting. Alright, so what can we do about it? So what am I saying here? I'm not saying to wear only black turtlenecks like the owner of a certain company. Some of us would like to keep our diverse sense of fashion. Thank you very much. But to be honest, I haven't had to think about what to wear to work in a while because I always pick out the entire work week's outfits on Sunday. And it's not even so specific like this is Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, but it's just more like a rough outline that is limited to 5, and you just have to kind of make it work because my options are limited. But here are 5 things that can actually really help. Plan ahead as much as you can. Now, of course, not every little thing can be planned. We all know that things don't often go according to plan anyway, but plans do still help. I mean, to-do lists and rosters are such a game changer. They help to reduce the daily decision load. Share. Whenever possible, try to delegate the decision making, especially in work environments. Stop being the decider of everything. Develop a decision-making mental model. I know a popular one is the SWOT analysis, but for me, my mental model for deciding what topic to talk about was, when in doubt, just talk about whatever you're going through. And having that model really helped when I desperately needed to make a quick decision. Metacognition, or simply put, how to think about thinking. But that would be in a different video. And 5, don't fall for analysis paralysis. You know, the fewer options there are, the quicker it is to make a decision Now, it's important to know that making decisions is a complex process that involves a lot of things like rationale, emotions, proper sleep, amongst other things. But one thing I do know is that it's probably a bad decision to text. Put down your phone. Alright, thank you so much for watching. My name is Ojuolape. I'm a medical doctor living in Nigeria who likes to explore human behavior through my work and art. Now, to help me combat decision fatigue, please leave in the comments any topics you think you'd be interested in exploring. And let me also know your thoughts on decision fatigue. Alright, as always, I will see you in the comment section.